clever! Eco Crew? What if your old homework could become a work of art and help the planet at the same time? That sounds like a high five to me. Ever heard of origami? It's the amazing Japanese art of folding paper into fun shapes, no glue, no scissors, just your hands and creativity. You can make cranes, frogs, flowers, boats, stars, almost anything you imagine. Origami is also a fantastic way to reuse old homework, notes, or scrap paper instead of tossing them in the trash. That's awesome! Whether it's a jumping frog, a flying paper airplane, or a delicate paper heart, origami turns recycling into art. Just look at all these amazing creations! With only a few folds, old homework, notes, or scrap paper can become flowers, boats, stars, and even tiny animals. Each piece is a little masterpiece, and every fold is a step toward helping our planet. Each fold gives your paper a second life and turns what might be waste into something beautiful and fun. And the best part? Origami is totally earth-friendly. Origami isn't just fun. It's a creative way to reuse what you already have. Reduce waste and let your imagination run wild. So grab some scrap paper, pick your favorite shape, and see what eco-friendly origami magic you can bring to life today. If you liked this episode, be sure to watch our other Phillip Water Bottles and the Eco Crew episodes today. There are many more Eco Crew adventures to check out. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you, Eco Crew, and we will see you soon!